Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuts by Reggie, back with another video real quick. If you don't know, today is the day of them picking who's number 1 through number 4, 5, and 6, and seeing who goes to what bowl. So I'm still waiting to see where my Tennessee Vols will end up in what bowl game. And any hate comment about my Tennessee Vols in the comments, me and you got a problem. A big problem. Anyway, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like the videos, thumbs up them. If you dislike the videos, thumbs down, share, all the good stuff. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're almost at the 5,000 subscriber mark, which we will be having a pretty decent giveaway. I'm not gonna hype it up too much because it might not be as big as I think it is, but anyway, right? So today, throughout this past year, I've been reviewing a lot of clippers. And if you've been watching my videos since I started, or if you went back and watched a few of my videos, especially my haircut videos, you will notice that the Wahl Magic Clip is my favorite clipper. It still is my favorite clipper, but for multiple, reasons, different reasons. Okay, so the question that a lot of people may ask is, will the Magic Clip or even the cordless senior still hold up in the future of barbering? And calm down. If you're not asking that, then you're not asking that. Because I'm pretty sure it's going to be somebody put in the comments, why would anybody ask that? Wahl got the best machine. Yes, Wahl's machines are amazing. They still work. They hold up better than a lot of different companies. Not all, but some, right? They still work. That's not even a debate, right? So, of course, you see, I like Wahl. I love Wahl Magic Clips. I do have some seniors. I don't use the seniors as much. I like the Wahls. They're lighter. I mean the Wahls. I like the Magic Clips because they're lighter. I like a lighter clipper. That's just my opinion. But, so right now, price-wise, the Wahl Magic Clip from the Wahl website is $119, all right? And then as far as the, let's say, a third party like Atlanta Barber, which I get a lot of my products from, AtlantaBarber.com, they're like $85. So price-wise, they will still definitely hold up. And yes, the Wahl machines are still great. They're still good. They're still gonna cut. But in the world where, in this small niche barber world that we are living in, where new clippers are dropping, as Stylecraft has just released a Magic Clip, a senior, but better. And people say runtime don't matter because you can get a charging dock and always just have a dock. Well, boom, that's one problem that you won't have if you get a Stylecraft Rebel. It comes with the charging dock. So, and price-wise, these are $165, $169, somewhere around there. So, $165, you already got your charging dock, right? Versus $119, unless you get it somewhere else. But let's just focus on the website. Let's focus on Wahl's website. $165 comes with a charging dock, which already gives you 3 hours of runtime, right? Versus $119, no charging dock, only 90 minutes of runtime. And yes, you can get a charging dock, but that's an extra $30. So now you're at $150 just for the charging dock in the clipper. Back to the Stylecraft Rebel, and this is only if you care about accessories and all the extra stuff, because based off of price-wise, you're getting much more for the price out of the Stylecraft. And the only reason I'm focused on the Stylecraft right now at the moment because the price point based off of what you get is much better than the Magic Clip. All right. So, but now once we get to the machine, you got Babyliss that's about to release a better version of a Magic Clip, right? If you haven't watched my video between these two clippers, you can click the link down below. I put it down. These are going to be the two. Now, this is before I know what's coming out in 2022, all right? These are your two top smacks in the face. I go with this one because I like a lighter clipper, got more accessories, but this is not a bad pick. No matter which one you go with, you're gonna be good. Anyway, so the question is, how do the Wahl cordless clippers, even with Wahl just releasing the Legend, do they, especially with the Magic Clip, are they still gonna be needed? Is it gonna be necessary? As of right now, yes, right? Short answer, yes. Long term, it's going to look kind of bleak, right? And we can say what we want about Wahl's machines, and I've had this Stylecraft Rebel, and I've had the Alpha. I didn't necessarily like the Alpha myself, but the Alphas hold up. They're not bad. You get what I'm saying? So arguing about which machine lasts is more durable, it doesn't matter when you're talking about certain companies. You get what I'm saying? So when it comes to a Babyliss Pro, when it comes to a Stylecraft Rebel, and the reason I'm mentioning these two, because these are the two clippers out or about to come out that I feel are directly smacking the Wahl Magic Clips and Seniors and Legends dead in the face. And it's going to give them a problem. The machines are better. The run times are better. Blades are better. Accessories are better. Except for with the Babyliss Pro. The Babyliss Pro doesn't come with all the charging dock. And this is $179. So if you just looking for a decent or a good clipper and you don't want to spend too much, then the Magic Clip may still be your best bet. But as far as cutting, as far as machine, as far as power, as far as runtime, the blade, it's not a bad blade. It's the blade that's gonna get you through. I love Wahl Magic Clips. I'm still using them, even though I got the Rebel, even though I got the Low Pro. But with the Low Pro, I mean, not even the Low Pro. Let's just say with the Rebel. With the Rebel, I'm inching closer and closer to buying another Rebel and putting up all my Magic Clips. Fade blade, smoother cut, that thin cutting blade, the click lever, or you can change it to a floating lever, no matter which one. They're built the same. This is louder. That is for sure. It's not by much, but it is louder. Now, going into that, if after a while clippers get louder, this ain't gonna be fun to use. You get what I'm saying? But when it comes to the Low Pro, all I'm saying is Wahl, going into 2022, got some problems on their hands, right? When you got Stylecraft, Gamma, Caliber, Babyliss, JRL, when you got these companies, yes, I do agree. Sometimes they drop way too much shit. It's too many clippers. It's too many trimmers. It's way too much stuff just dropping. But the good thing about some of them is you can tell that there's a difference between the product before it. Whether it's runtime, power, blade, cutting, like torque, like you can tell the difference. Only thing I'm saying is I want Wahl. Wahl, if you're listening, I'm going to continue to support you guys even more than Andis, because I'm not, besides the T outliners, I'm not a big Andis buyer, right? I buy a lot of stuff now because I just buy a lot of stuff. But as far as Wahl, I love Wahl clippers. You know what I'm saying? I pretty much cut with any one of them. Magic Clips are my favorite because that's just what I started with. I love them. Actually, I started with the super tapers. Then I went to Magic Clips. But I like the Magic Clips because they're lighter, which is why I choose the Rebel. They're a little bit heavier than the Magic Clips, but not by much. Not by much at all. But the way that they cut. Anyway, Wahl. I am a nobody. But hello, my name is Cuts by Reggie. Reginald Smith, exactly. And I just want you all to look at Stylecraft, Gamma, Babyliss, Tomb 45 with the batteries and stuff. Filthy Blends with the modifications. Caliber. I want you to look at these other companies who at least are, whether, fail to succeed or trying new things. Because if the cordless Wahl Legend had more runtime, better or more power, because you actually declined in power versus the Senior. You know what I'm saying? So if it had more power, and somebody commented and said they can't make a better clipper than the Senior. Why? Because if you can't make a better clipper than the Senior, then you shouldn't be really working on much, right? So if that's the case, then Wahl is done. They're just going to be re-releasing the same shit over and over and over again. I think they can. They just living off a name. And people like me who's going to continue to buy Wahl and more Wahl and more Wahl. So, I've been rambling because I wanted to talk to myself about, is Wahl really the Magic Clips, because that's my favorite. Are the Magic Clips going to still be necessary? As of right now, the Wahl Magic Clips in the Seniors, yes. Long term, we'll see. Somebody's going to argue with me in the comments and say I'm an idiot and tell me that I don't know anything, which I don't. By no means when I make videos, people, do I say that I am all-knowing in anything. I've actually told you before, I don't know a lot. I just like to give my opinion. I like to talk to people. Talking to you guys is fun. Even when some of y'all people go. Anyway, is Wahl Legends, Magic Clips, Seniors going to be necessary in 5 to 10 years at the rate that they're going versus the rate of other companies? I doubt it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like the videos or dislike the videos. See, we all have a choice. You can dislike them. There's a thumbs down button. Comment, share, all the good stuff. I'll be back with another video sometime. We're ending the year off with just some videos. So I'll be back sometime with my top clipper and trimmer of the year. But I'm going to do a little, anyway. Peace.